Today, how to get an image embedded that's coming from the Google Drive, which is a little bit tricky. So you're going to need this little special piece of URL to make it work. So I've just got it pasted there for convenience. So I'm just going to jump over and get the link to the image that I need. I'm looking at my image, click here, I click share, and then I look at the get link. Now it's really important that this shows anyone on the internet can view this link. If that's not the case, then the image can't be embedded. So if you need to, you click down here and you change it to anyone with the link. So that's important. Then once that's set, you copy that link, you jump back to your window. I'm just going to paste it in here, and you'll see that these do not match. So we're actually going to go to the D/, we're going to delete that. And then we're going to connect those two together. Then we're going to delete everything after the slash view. And then we're going to copy that. And we're going to click image. We're going to paste that. Click there to see it. We can adjust our height and width as needed. And then we're going to say OK. And so that's the trick. And I will Slack this link as well. I'm just going to show that this does in fact preview correctly. Now, so this is, you don't have to put that there, that's just so everybody can see what it is that's being used to do that. So don't tell the customer to leave that in the code. The customer should just use it, paste it into that input box. Keep in mind that the reason why we make this hard is because they should be embedding images down below instead and embedding videos at the top.